Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining us on the third edition of ET Asia Summit 2022. We are all here to do one thing and do it right, that is craft Asia's MarTech story better. So, I know you all are branding experts here, MarTech experts to be more precise, and you don't need me to tell more about MarTech, but I'll just share a couple of points that the team and we all went and got to know about when we were researching about our topics, when we were putting together the agenda of the summit. While we were reading about MarTech, there were a couple of lines, and one line that really stayed with me for long, and it kind of defines what MarTech today is. Somewhere I read that it says MarTech is marketing, and this pretty well defines why we all are here today and why we are discussing about something which many of us would really say that it's a part of marketing. Why are you discussing all this? But MarTech is marketing. That just defines what MarTech is. The ever so dynamic world of marketing and the role of marketers has really gone through a change, and MarTech has been in the forefront of driving this change. To throw you some numbers, right? The global MarTech spending in 2021 was around $344.8 billion, and Indian organizations are riding the MarTech wave with the focus with customer centricity. This edition of MarTech Asia Summit aims to be the biggest congregation, as we all know. It's going to be we aim to craft the Asia's MarTech story, and that's why it has been very thoughtfully curated. As we go around today on the day, we'll see some very interesting keynote addresses and sessions. We start with the keynote address by Mr. Navneet Nakra. He has been kind enough to give us time and talk about MarTech. He is the CEO of OnePlus, and OnePlus, as you all know, is one of the most loved brands in the country. So thank you, Navneet, for joining us today. We also have Mr. Abhishek Ganguly joining us. He is the MD of Puma Southeast Asia. Puma has a very interesting story around MarTech and how they are really upping their customer game, and Abhishek will be sharing all those anecdotes with us. Besides, among other attractions, we also have some featured case studies presentation today. One which is very close to the team's heart is Maruti's Shashank Srivastava talking about their journey into Nexaverse. Nexaverse is basically their journey into metaverse. We also have two of India's biggest advertisers, Reckitt and Pepsi, talk about crafting and leading marketing teams into this transient world. So these were some of the attractions of the day, divided into two tracks. The summit will also see a variety of speakers from brands like Maruti, Bharti Airtel, ICICI Bank, Deloitte, Spinny, Mamaearth, Bombay Shaving Company, so on and so forth. Once again, on behalf of ETBrandEquity, I welcome you all to the third edition of MarTech Asia Summit. Thank you so much.